So it's back counting. Oh, actually, no. Only in the dark you count. I don't know what that is. Only in the dark. Oh, look at that. It's like a lights display building. Amazing. I wonder how many minutes this would last. Well, I'm so glad that I walked this side at this hour. Look at that. This is like a lights display. This will even be better if they have music playing. So it actually starts at 7:30. If you are interested to see this, it starts 7:30 at night. Not sure if this is every day, but yeah. And it's been 3 minutes now. Let's see how long this will run. I'm just gonna walk a little bit closer. Okay, my hand's starting to hurt. Okay, 4 minutes. It's beautiful. Okay, 5 minutes. It seems there's a music, but I cannot hear it from here. Yeah, I think there's a music. I think if I get closer, you'll be able to hear it. So I'm hearing something. So I'm just gonna move closer. So that one there is the Franklin Street. So that's where you need to be if you want to watch this light show. There is definitely a music. Yeah. Okay, I think this is a good place to stop. A little bit more closer. Yeah, here. We can stop here.
The value of it? Yeah, because it's the others. Yeah, because you just look at this and
So it's 7 minutes already. Only the dark. Yi Yong King. Okay, so it lasted for 7 minutes. Yeah, it was good. Beautiful, actually. Is it done? I think it's done. That's it. Okay, we can continue walking now. Oh, not yet. The Geometry of Thought. A video by Charles Atlas. Oh, those are just like credits. Is there anything else? I don't think so. It seems to be done. Oh, there's more. One. Oh, this is a different. I wonder if this is a different show. It's a new one. Okay. Sorry. It is a new one. So the first one lasted about 8 minutes. Two. So it started around 7:30. It's already 7:42. So I wonder how long this would last. I think I heard someone say like probably 20 minutes. So we are already closing into the 15 minutes. Five. Okay. Let's move back a little bit. Okay. Zero. Okay. Wow. Okay, I think that's it. It lasted about 15 minutes. There's more. Geometry of Thought by Charles Atlas. Okay, is that it? Or maybe more? I think probably more. Yeah, okay, so it's just repeating it. So this is already the same one. Okay, yo. So that's a good one. So we're going to continue walking the river walk. That's a long video, but it was nice that I was able to capture that. Okay, so there is a music. From here, you can actually hear the music. So we are heading back. We just finished the river walk, at least the left side. So let's see if we can still make it into the right side. I mean, the river walk is open until 11 p.m. So you have a lot of time if you want to go walk it at night. So this is a good free activity to do. Okay, so we are now in the other side of the river walk. Earlier, we're at that side behind that bridge. This is the right side of the river walk. You can see here mostly they have the boat cruises ticketing if you want to buy your tickets, and also a lot of boat tours depart from this area. There are also a lot of like breweries and cafes down there, but at this hour they will probably be closed already, so that the other side is the one that stays late. So if you want to have something to drink or snack on at night, so you head to the left side. So we're not gonna continue walking on that side because there's going to be nothing much there. Most of the probably will be closed, so we're just going to turn back. But I do have a video where I walk that side in the morning, just in case you are interested to see what they have there. So basically, I would say that that side over there is quite more busy and more interesting, and they have nicer places to sit than this side. Okay, so that's it for tonight, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of Chicago videos in my YouTube and website, so if you have a chance, go visit them and let me know what you think. If you've been in Chicago, let me know if you have any other suggestions, recommendations, the places that I should visit next time. I did not go to the Skydeck or the 360, so hopefully next time I'll do that, as well as the museums. I skipped that for this trip. But that's it for tonight, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!